Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to turn off My AI on Snapchat. First step is to open the Snapchat app on your device. Now go to Chats, which you can see next to the camera at the bottom. Tap to open My AI. Now go back to the previous page. Click on another person's chat. From the options, go to Manage Friendship. Simply, you can click on Remove Friend. Now go to My AI and give it a long press. As before, go to Manage Friendship. So no option is there to turn it off. Now go to your profile icon from the top. Then go to Settings from the top right of the page. Scroll down and click on Clear My AI Data. Here, tap on the Confirm button. So go back to Chat and then open the inbox for My AI. As you can see, the chat has been removed over here. Like before, go to Settings from your profile main page. Scroll down and click on I Need Help. Then go to I Have a Privacy Question. Here, check the option I Need Help with the Snapchat feature. Below, you need to select My AI. In the end, select How do I remove or unpin my AI? So this is where you can read all the instructions in order to turn off My AI from your Snapchat. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.